Hey everyone, welcome back to Mass Mind Benders, where we make maths fun and exciting. Today, we've got a fresh puzzle that's going to test your problem-solving skills in a new way. Ready to dive into the world of combinations? Let's go. Here's the puzzle. You have 4 different fruits, an apple, a banana, a pear, and a plum. You need to arrange them in a row, but with one important rule. The banana cannot be next to the pear. Got it? Okay. Now take a moment and pause the video to see if you can figure out how many ways you can arrange these 4 fruits with that rule in mind. Go ahead, give it a try. In 5 seconds I will reveal the answers, so press pause now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Welcome back. Let's see how we can solve this together. Now, without the restriction, we could arrange these 4 fruits in any order. Since they are all different, the total number of ways to arrange the fruits is simply the number of permutations of the 4 fruits. That's 4 factorial equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. So, there are 24 ways to arrange the fruits if we don't have any restrictions. However, we have a restriction. The banana and the pear can't be next to each other. So, let's find out how many ways we can break the rule, and then subtract that from the total. If the banana and the pear are next to each other, we can treat them as a single block, like this. Now, we have 3 blocks to arrange: the banana plus pear block, the apple, and the plum. So, there are 3 factorial ways to arrange these 3 blocks, which is 3 factorial equals 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. But within that banana plus pear block, the banana and pear can switch places. So, there are 2 ways to arrange them within the block. 3 factorial times 2 is equal to 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, there are 12 ways to arrange the fruits where the banana and pear are next to each other. Now, let's subtract those 12 arrangements from the total 24 ways we found earlier, and that leaves us with 24 minus 12 equals 12. So, there are 12 ways to arrange the fruits where the banana is not next to the pear. And there you have it. The answer is 12 different ways to arrange the fruits so that the banana and pear are not next to each other. Did you get it right? I hope this puzzle got you thinking in new ways. It's all about restrictions and how they change the number of possible outcomes. If you enjoyed this puzzle, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more fun math challenges. And before you go, here's a bonus question for you. Leave your answer in the comments below. Bonus question. If you have 5 different books and you need to arrange them on a shelf, but 2 specific books must always be together, how many ways can you arrange the books? Think you've got it? I can't wait to see your answers. Keep puzzling, and I'll see you in the next video.